And welcome back. 135 athletes seeking to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics and Paralympic Games this summer received a cash injection to aid in their efforts. This follows Sunday's start of a government-funded assistance program valued at more than $50 million. The announcement was made by Sports Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange.
According to Sports Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange, able-bodied athletes across 7 sporting disciplines, as well as Paralympians, which number 135, will receive an equal amount of Jamaican $20,000 per week over an 18-week period.
We are treating all athletes equally important. So the same amount of money will be disbursed to their accounts on a weekly basis.
Minister Grange says athletes chasing Olympic qualification will start receiving their funds as of this week, while the Paralympians will start receiving as of April 1, given that the Paralympics comes up 1 month later. The announcement was welcomed by World Championship discus silver medalist Frederick Dakers and Olympian sprint hurdler Megan Tapper.
It's reassuring that the government is actually seeing what we're doing, and we're actually being rewarded for that. And it's really, to me, the Olympics. So I hope they take it and do what they're supposed to.
I wish to thank the minister, her committee, and the national federations who, with little time and no money, brought this to fruition for the efforts they put into developing this critical initiative. Athletes, the toil, the struggle, day in and out. I'd like to thank each and every one of you as well for making sport a part of your life, and in some cases, your whole life. Forging ahead with pride, building brand Jamaica.
President of the Jamaica Olympians Association, Marvin Anderson, who also welcomed this latest initiative, wants the assistance program to be developed into a long-term one.
One of the things we can do, whether it's through the ministry or through this committee, is that we put together a framework that is sustainable, a framework that can go through respective years, respective Olympic cycle, so that all we'll have to do is to populate that framework with the relevant and immediate athletes.
This latest assistance program is in addition to the Jamaica Athlete Insurance Plan, which involves more than 1,500 athletes. I am Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.